All right. Sometimes when encoding with Cursor or Claude or whatever, I notice it won't fix CSS issues. So you can see here, there's a bunch of space after the save decision, and there's a bunch of space after the decision stats cards, and I can't get it to fix it. Just like on my third try, I'll be like, hey, fix this. Normally I can describe it, like the spacing and after the cards and decision stats is too much, remove it, and it will fix it. The next step is what's causing the extra spacing, like get it to reflect on the cause. And then the next step is where I'm at now is write me the console code, so that I can go into developer tools and debug this. So let's try this now. And then so it gives me the code, and then it tells me what it's looking for. Run these and like okay. So let's try this. All right. Let's provide it the response. And let's do this one. I don't know if it'll be able to figure it out. Let's try. What are the glasses? Oh, much better. Let's pause it and come back. Alright, I don't know if this is going to work. I'm uploading the changes. A couple more files. Okay. Still there. Let's see what its advice is. Okay, told me the fix, which is not correct. Did create debug spacing. Let me take a picture of it and give it the picture. Okay. So still seeing the extra spacing. I've provided 2 screenshots. Please review. So what it comes up with planning next moves. It's really like code's amazing. But this project's been going on for, I don't know, a couple of weeks, lots of features. It's done real well. I've noticed this like CSS issue stuff. It can't quite figure out. Needs a little push. So I thought I'd record this to see if we can fix it live with some ideas that may help you in if you're coding. All right, let's pause. Okay, we're back. Fix it. Anytime I see important, this is where I'm going to pull in Claude Code to evaluate the problem. You shouldn't need that. So let's upload the files. All right, we're back. We updated the files. Let's refresh. Go down to decisions. Same thing. All right, let me pull in Claude Code. Let's see here. Claude. Let's see. Get some snapshots. Okay. Let's see. I've been working with Cursor to get to remove the extra blank space in the screenshot provided. Alright, I think I have some text here. I even asked it. Transfers. Can you help us fix the issue on? Let's see if I give it the page too. This page. Alright, let's see what cursor says. Pausing. Cool, he's gonna fetch the page. Excessive white space issue. No, I don't want to do important. So, stupid. No, I don't want to use important. I would prefer to use a class card, class that another section on the page is using. And you try again. There we go. Important just means it's desperate. Alright, let's see what it says. Pausing. There we go. Claude is always good at telling me I'm right. It's a better approach, using existing working classes. You're absolutely right. I'm gonna get a t-shirt that says that. What's working, what's not? Working classes. Yeah. Inspect. Yeah, get it to analyze. Okay. Alright, let's tell cursor to investigate a little deeper why other things work and how to fix it by matching. Cool, I like this. Alright, let's go back to cursor. Boom. Alright, pausing, I'll be back in a sec. Alright, we're back. Let's see what cursor says. Root cause, the decision section used the card class structure, while working section is used inside card. Just have different rules. So they changed cards, changed log decision, decision history, and decision stats. Fix research, any stock. Remove conflicting CSS. How it works now. Okay. So, yeah. Alright, let me update the files. This looks more like the fix. Let's refresh. No, I want to get rid of that. Upload. Move you. I'll work on that later. Alright. Fresh. Okay. Toggle decision. Ugh. Had this problem for months. Okay. Let me think here. Let's tell Claude. All right. So, all right. I like this approach, but I still see the problem. Please review cursor response. Response. And would it help if I provided files for you? So, yeah. Okay, cool. Let's pause and see what we get here. Oh, and keep in mind, I have a project in Claude with like all these chats. I create new chats when I run out of context windows. So this isn't just I opened the chat in Claude and brought him in with no contextual awareness. The feature we're actually working on is something Claude recommended, but the specific CSS issue doesn't have anything to do with Claude. So he might be, oh, yes, please provide files. Potential issues still remaining. Even after cursors change, the problem could be with this card itself. Oh, great. Yes, please provide files. Quick diagnostic. Here we go. Let's do this. So Claude, I think, based on Cursor's response on the classes, I think Claude now gets it. Then it gave us some JavaScript to run in the console, and I think we might have it here. I don't want to try to solve the problem itself. I'm trying to see if between two AIs, they can figure out these CSS styling issues. Because they can code ridiculously well. As long as I test well and I give good feedback. Found it, smoking gun. Well, sometimes it gets it. All right. What's happening? Since min height is not the issue, the culprit is one of these. Content inside is actually that tall. Oh. Flexbox parent is stretching the container. I think that's correct. The inside card is set to flex more or height equals, okay. Cursor. First, the decision sections have computed heights of, whoa! So the problem is not the min height. Check the parameters. I like this. Quick fix you can test. Run this in the browser to test the theory. That's good. Let's test it. Refresh and see if the problem is fixed. Let's see it. this. Didn't fix even one of them. Okay. Okay. Not fixed. All right. What do I need from cursor response? Give cursor. And the quick fixes. All right, let's see if cursor can work. I'll be right back. Okay, found the issue in decisions grid uses grid auto rows, align item stretch, which forces equal height rows, removing these. Okay. I've had this issue for a while. I just put it off till today, and I thought I'd record it to see if oh, I got a summary documentation. No extra white space. Well, it's writing a summary document, which I usually only have to do after it's fixed it, so it must really think it's fixed it. Unless this wording influenced it. So I'll show you which I mean. Found it. So Claude saying it found it, sometimes it's like, oh, well, it's fixed. So we'll see. Let's upload some files. Fresh. Also, these documents should be going into the folder for this feature. So that folder is dashboard cleanup. So I'll tell it please move .md files from root to the folder for this feature. So I'm gonna do that. And let's go test. Haha! Yay! Okay, that took 18 minutes. I've been putting this one off. And I didn't investigate and research the CSS issue myself on purpose. So I hope that helps on how you can debug styling issues. Same thing with code. Sometimes you have to pull in a different bot. Anytime you see important in a suggestion, don't do that. Have it look at what already works on the page. That's the thing. Offer to give it files. Ask for DevTools code. Give it the output of DevTools. That kind of stuff can really help get away from being like, this is the exact issue. You want it to figure it out on its own. Sometimes create a test file to test why this is happening. I'll upload it to the server, run it, and it can say, copy the output and give it back to the bot. So you really want the bot to be doing the work. So hope this helps. Happy coding.